Today I will show you how my family makes this delicious one-pan cheesy potatoes. These are the ingredients I used. 1 bag shredded hash brown potatoes, 30 ounce. Make sure it's thawed out. 4 cups shredded cheddar cheese. 2 cups sour cream. 1 cup cream cheese. Half cup butter, melted butter. 2 eggs. 1 large onion or onion powder optional. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper optional. Cook time is 60 minutes. Oven temperature should be 350 degrees. Place the shredded potatoes in a colander and let it thaw and drain. It must be drained and at room temperature. You can also thaw in the microwave for about 5 minutes if you need to use it quickly. Place butter in a bowl and melt in microwave. Now add the 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Add sour cream. Add cream cheese and mix it well together. Now add the shredded cheddar cheese and combine the mixture well together. Grate the onion or use an electronic chopper to get the onions into small pieces. Combine onion into mixture and mix really well together. Now add the thawed out hash brown potatoes and combine the mixture really well. Add salt. Add the 2 eggs. Place in a dish and put in the oven. Make sure you smooth the top of the mixture to a flat surface. Keep checking it, but cook for about 60 minutes and it should be golden brown when it comes out. This is an awesome recipe for Thanksgiving or just to cook as a comfort food. My family just loves it. I hope you enjoy this recipe and thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye bye for now.